Hello, my name is Peter D. Jammarino. Most people call me Peter D. I call myself a professional CEO. I've helped organizations across industries, business models, capital structures, and maturity stages achieve over $1 billion in value creation. The firms I've run are all now owned by companies whose names you would recognize. I developed an integrated system of tools, work streams, and tutorials to get leaders and their teams clear about what they seek to accomplish, aligned on deploying their great strengths towards the same ends, and on track to achieve performance and growth goals on, and usually ahead of, schedule. The cornerstone of the system is that an organization exists to solve a problem for a population of people who have that problem. Do you and your team agree on the problem you solve for whom? While this seems simple enough, in practice, almost nobody in your organization answers in exactly the same way. And even small differences in how top team members answer can disrupt operations, especially sales and marketing, recruiting and onboarding management team members, directors, and advisors, as well as fundraising and mergers and acquisitions. But when every stakeholder shares the exact same view, there is a significant lift across the board. Understanding this, leaders have 4 choices. Assume everyone is thinking the same, ignore differences that show up from time to time, mandate that everyone follow what the leader says, or collaborate to reach alignment using the WHAT-WHO-WHY Tool and Workstream. In our workshop, participants learn to describe any organization in terms of whose problem it solves. That stakeholder alignment trumps being right, and to align via collaboration. To develop your individual and team ability to do this, we unpack the WHAT-WHO tool, work together on an example case, and then collaborate as a group on a practice case before turning you and your team loose on your own case. Arriving at a consolidated WHAT-WHO is more of a challenge than it first seems. Participants are surprised to learn that even well-known firms are not doing what people think. I look forward to working with you and your group to join hundreds of leaders who use WHAT-WHOs to get clear, aligned, and on track to reach their potential to perform and grow.